Hey there, this is Kakarotvg. Welcome back to another episode of MinecraftForge modding tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be turning our custom modeled block into a custom furnace. So, first thing we're going to need to do right now is we're going to go ahead and add a false right here. Now we need to go into this class, and this is where things start to get good. So, what we need to do now is we're going to go to Minecraft source net dot Minecraft dot tile entity. Actually, we need block furnace is what we're looking for. There it is, block furnace. So now Control A, Control C, or Command if you're on Mac. So now back in here, don't get rid of that. Get rid of that. Actually, this should do this. Let V. Rename type to tile entity tutorial block. Import everything. .com.tutorial.reference. And get Minecraft.block. Get not get rid of that. Keep that, I think. Let's see. So this we are deleting. And here, delete. Alright. That should fix all the most of the errors, except that. There shouldn't be any more errors. Oh, the package. Change package declaration, format and save, and that should fix that error. Let's fix that. Super comma material there we go. Alright, so now okay, so not sure if we need that, just in case though. Alright, so now we need to delete that. And that's it. Now let's look for those. Actually, no. Let me get rid of that. that, I think. And that. Actually, no. Let me get that back. Drop instruction. Change this to tile entity handler dot. Enough with the lag. Could you load tile tutorial block? Here. We don't need that. Get rid of that. Tile entity tutorial block entity. Import it. You will get to that in a second. Tile entity handler dot tile tutorial block. Block ID. Then keep scrolling down. Tile entity tutorial entity. Size inventory. Backslash. Tile entity handler dot tile tutorial block ID. Import container and MinecraftForge.block. Alright, now you look for block furnace. Okay, good. So now that we are done with that, alright, so now we need to go to our, we don't need this, tile entity tutorial block entity class. Common entity tile entity okay, so this is where things get good. So now again go back into Minecraft. Now instead of block we need to go to entity, actually no, not entity, tile entity furnace. Copy all and just paste it in here. Okay. Change the package. And save. Let's see, what's the problem you're having? Let me check something here real quick, actually. Let's see here. Okay. Unblock activated. Delete this. Now, tile, entity, tile, and entity equals world dot equals par1 world par1 world dot get block tile entity x y z. Change par2 to x y z player. Alright, back. Sorry about that. Had to take care of something real quick. And then alright, so now if tile and entity equals null, player dot get is player dot is sneaking and then return false. And otherwise player dot open GUI VG tutorial dot instance 0 world XYZ turn true. Alright, so we will get into that in a second. Oh, in a little bit. So next, so that takes care of the problem we were having. Now, now we go back to the tile entity. Okay, so here we need to get rid of this. Get rid of this. And I guess that just in case, get rid of this. I sworn there's something else. Yeah. Okay, so for this class, hold on, let me check something again. Okay, never mind. If that's done. Alright, so for this, okay then, so now let's head to the areas we need to change. First let's fix all the errors before we do that. Any errors up here? Nope. Let's go find them and fix them. Seriously, with this lag. Alright. So tile, entity, tutorial, block. Tutorial. Tutorial. Yeah, right here is where you can get the furnace time. It's like there's Book of Lava. Yeah. Okay. .minecraft.block. Something wrong here. Actually, no, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's weird. Okay then. That can't be it though. Okay then. So now we need to create a couple new classes. First thing there is let's see, under tile entity, let's create a new package. Tile entity tutorial block. Put this in there. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Okay, so now in here, we need to, dang it, create a new class, and we'll call this container tutorial block. And wait a minute, no. We're not done with this yet. First of all, where the heck is that error coming from? Oh yeah. We are not done with this yet. Because there are some things we need to rename. Okay, so let's keep going down. Actually, no, let's head back up a little bit. So, first thing is on the container.furnace. Is name localized? Hold on. Get inventory name. Okay, yeah, so change this to tutorial block furnace. Items per time. Tutorial block furnace. Tutorial block furnace. Tutorial block furnace. Keep looking. And looks like we are done. Okay. So now under container tutorial block, so now under Minecraft net.minecraft dot I have no idea where it's located. I think it's under inventory. Yep. Container furnace. Command C. Container tutorial. Okay. Now let's head up. Import .minecraft.inventory.container. Oh my gosh, with the lag. Rename type to container tutorial block. Change package declaration. Change this. Delete this. Delete this. Okay. Tile entity tutorial block entity. Import that. Tutorial slot furnace. Tutorial. Okay then. Entity tutorial. Block. Oh yeah. Entity. There we go. Sorry about that. Import everything again. That's it. Now we create the class. I'm just gonna keep it in this package. And we don't need this open or this open. Now back in the net.minecraft. She might still be in. Yep, it is an inventory still. Slot furnace. Come and see. Alright. Package declaration. Yeah. Okay then, so tutorial. Do you mind? Alright, so back on container. We'll check this. Okay. I'll get to you guys in a second. Alright. Now. Oh. Okay then. I'm not sure if we have to change anything here. Let's see. Other than the recipes, I guess we don't have to change anything. Okay then. Now, looks like we are done with that. So let's go ahead and make the computer recipes. I mean tutorial recipes class. Create class. Finish. Now, alright, so now we need to go to furnish recipes. Where is it? Minecraft dot. Current. No. Okay. So copy that. Tutorial furnish recipes. Paste. Nope. Wrong thing. Okay. Now, in tutorial furnish recipes. V. There we go. Package decoration. Rename type to tutorial furnish recipes. Now, instead of all these, delete most of them. Then we'll add this dot. Add smelting. New item stack block handler dot tutorial block stop that. New item stack item handler dot tutorial ingot 0.4 comma 1 comma 4. Dot block ID. There we go. Add smelting. Int. Item stack. Part 1. Items that float to do this. This may or may not work, I'm not sure. Just in case. Don't worry about those. Go up and go up to the imports. And we should be good there. Tutorial. Where are you erroring? Tutorial. Title entity block. Entity. Oh no. Tile entity tutorial block. entity. There we go. Now, where's your problem here? Actually, there's no problem. Okay then. Once we are done with that, I think we need to go to client proxy now. Let's check. So, and client proxy. There's nothing for us to do. Okay. There are, however, some more things we still need to do. Such as creating a GUI for our furnace thing. So actually we don't need client proxy. So in here, actually I think we don't need these two. In here under instance, private GUI handler GUI handler equals new tutorial GUI handler. Let's change this to tutorial. Okay. Now, down here towards the end, it needs to be above the proxy.init. And above recipe handler. So we'll go with here. So network registry dot instance dot registered GUI handler. This GUI handler. Okay, now create class dot GUI finish. So now under here let's do implements hi GUI handler, import that. Then we need to add the unimplemented methods, delete that, and in here, instead of returning null, I will be back. Hey guys, this is Kakarotvg. Welcome back. Sorry about that. I had actually several places I had to go to. So now that I am back, let's get back to finishing up the GUI and our furnace altar thing. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. It's really weird. Okay, so now for the tile entity, tile entity tile entity. equals world dot get block tile entity x y z, and head down. And if tile entity, if tile and entity instance of tile entity tutorial, oh my gosh, block entity return new container, new tutorial container furnace player dot inventory, comma tile entity tutorial block entity. Tile entity return null. Import everything. Container tutorial block. Container tutorial block. Import that. Format, save. Now on the second one, I'm just gonna copy this over actually. But we'll be making a couple changes. So XYZ of return new tutorial block GUI inventory. Okay, that's the only difference there. Yeah. So we are done with GUI handler now. Well, except for that, we'll have to import that. Actually, no, we won't. So create the class. Finish. And now, tutorial block GUI. We need to copy over furnace GUI, I believe. Net.minecraft.client.GUI GUI furnace. Or furnace GUI, depending on what it's named. And there is no furnace GUI. Actually, no, under inventory there should be. Yeah, there you go, GUI furnace. With the lag. Seriously. Okay, there we go. Rename type to tutorial block GUI. Really? Come on! Okay, import. Save. Delete these. New container tutorial block. File entity tutorial block entity. Entity. Where are the errors? There are no errors. Okay. So now for the GUI resource look for the texture of the GUI, we will be making our own. And we're gonna place it in reference dot mod ID plus textures slash GUI slash tutorial furnace.png. We will make that in a second. And looks like we may be done now. Except for the texture. Yep, it looks like... Come on! Okay. Now, except for the texture, we are done. So let's go ahead and make the texture. So we're going to go into tutorial modding, Forge, MCP, temp, source, Minecraft, assets, Minecraft, textures, GUI, container, furnace. Okay, so I'm gonna copy furnace, and we are going. Oh my gosh, I need to get a new computer so bad. Assets, tutorial mod. Enough with this. Tutorial mod. Textures. Folder. GUI. And the tutorial furnace. Okay, now let's open with GIMP. Then we will start making the texture for our furnace. You can load anytime now. Anytime now. Come on. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in a bit. And then zoom in a bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna change this little arrow thing. So I'm gonna make it red color. Then I want to add a little yellowish design. Dang it. Okay. And then there. Now I want to add in more of the reddish color. So I'm gonna do it like this. Two, one. Then we're gonna copy the shadow color. Then we're gonna make more shadows. And there we go. Now let's copy this color. Then we're just gonna copy this over. Okay, I think that works. Okay, now we're gonna fill that in completely. Yeah, let me check something real quick. Okay. Okay. And okay. Almost done with this part. Okay. Keep going. Alright, so now we've got that done. Now let's do some modifications to the fire. I wanna change the white to black. almost done. And change the yellow to blue. And the orange to purple. Okay. And then change the red to green. Okay. Now you can make this however you want. I'm just making it this way because I want to. But anyways. Now this white little bar up here, I'm going to change that to a yellow color. Okay. So, dang it. Now I'm gonna change. Gonna add in a little bit of lighting to the area. Good. It still doesn't look good. Why does it look horrible? That's too big. That looks a bit better. There we go. And take this color and there. Now export it. And let's run Minecraft to see how everything works. So far, so good. right click on our block. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so let's try the smelting. Tutorial block. Metadata 4 is tutorial block 5. Let's get some coal. And nope. 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 Okay, so let's go fix that. So we have to go to the furnace tutorial, furnace recipes. Value of R1. So now we change this to block handler dot tutorial block dot block ID dot and let's see. Let's see now. Alright, let's try that. There we go. And there we go. It works. Now I need to figure out how to do metadata. That's really weird. Let's try... Yeah, let's try this. Item stack dot Let me check the recipes real quick. Handlers, recipe handler. Oh no, I never figured that out. Oh, that's... Let me attempt to figure that out real quick. Okay, so I finally figured it out. This does need to be an item stack with the second integer as the metadata, and instead of making this just the par1, you need to make it. It needs to stay the integer dot value of. Meaning you need to make it par1 dot item ID. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah. There's this. This is how we got it to work. So now the tutorial block metadata 5, which is tutorial block 4, will be smelted into tutorial ingot. That's basically it, really. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.